Dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel Unique Physics by HJ Sir. Here we discuss 11th Physics, chapter number 2, Unit and Measurement. Last time we explained SI unit and SI table. Now here we are going to explain derived physical quantities and their units. This is important question of this chapter. Here first of all we explain definition of derived physical quantities and their unit. So what is called derived physical quantity? This is the simplest definition of it. The quantities which can be obtained by using other fundamental quantities. Other fundamental quantities means that 7 fundamental physical quantities are called derived quantities, and their units are known as derived units. So quantities are known as derived quantities while units are called derived units. Now here we are going to explain some example of this question. First example of derived physical quantity is, suppose area. We have simple equation of area. Area of square is given by length into length. So its derived unit is, unit of length is meter into unit of length is again meter. Meter into meter, meter square. So meter square is nothing but it is derived unit, while area is called derived quantity. Second example, volume. Volume of cube is given by length into length into length. So SI unit of length is meter. So here we have meter into meter into meter. So unit of volume is meter cube. So this is derived unit, while volume is called derived physical quantity. Another example number 3, speed or velocity. We have simple equation of speed or velocity. It is distance upon time. Distance means one type of length. So unit of distance is meter. Upon time, unit of time is second. So unit of speed or velocity is meter per second. It is also written as meter second raised to minus 1, ms raised to minus 1. Here we use only short form m and s, but remember their full name. M means meter, s means second raised to minus 1. Next example is acceleration. Number 4. Acceleration is equals to velocity upon time. Now we have unit of velocity, it is meter per second. So unit of acceleration is equals to meter per second into, here we have 1 upon time, so 1 upon second. By combining these two units, we can say that unit of acceleration is meter per second square. This is also written as meter second raised to minus 2. Next example, force. Remember equation of force. Force is equals to mass into acceleration. F is equals to ma. So unit of force is mass. Unit of mass is kilogram, and unit of acceleration is meter per second square. So unit of force is kilogram meter per second square. Now here we have some example of other derived physical quantity. Try to find their units in your homework. Number 1, density. Density is equals to mass upon volume. Clear? Number 2, linear momentum. Equation of linear momentum is mass into velocity. Find its derived unit. Number 3, pressure. Pressure is equals to force upon area. Try to find unit of pressure. Work is equals to force into distance. Distance means length. So try to find unit of work. And the last, power is equals to work upon time. So try to find unit of power. So this 5 derived quantity are given. Try to find their units. Okay, so this is your homework of this question. Thanks.